Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of Social Studies of class 5th. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, today in this video, I am going to give you lesson number 18. So not further delay, take out your book and open lesson number 18 exercises. Here, your first question. Which of the following resource is a renewable source? Air. Next. Which one of the following resource is a non-renewable resource? Here, petroleum. Third, air contains nitrogen, oxygen, both A and B. The group of plants which have developed in an area without human interference are called natural vegetation. Which one of the following is a byproduct of petroleum? Both A and B. Next, tick and wrong. Nature is an enormous storehouse of resources. True. Right, natural resources should be used carelessly. Wrong. Overgrazing must be checked properly. Right. Petroleum is also known as the black gold. Right. Conservation of natural resources is a must for the existence of mankind. True. Okay. Students, you can take a screenshot to write all these answers. Now come on, fill in the blanks here. First question, renewable resources are unlimited. Next, non-renewable resources are formed in millions of years. Third, afforestation is one of the methods of soil conservation. Fourth, the earth is also called the blue planet. Fifth, coal is also used as a domestic fuel. Now come on, next. Match the following. First, coal is also called the buried sunshine. Petroleum is also called the black gold. Converting back the previously cleared forest land to forest, afforestation. Next, the earth, water planet. Fifth, wildlife, natural resource. Now come on, question answers. Here, first question, define the term resource. Natural resources are a gift of nature, therefore these cannot be made by human beings, and nature is an enormous storehouse of these resources. Air, water, soil, plants, animals, solar energy, wind energy, coal, petroleum, etc. Second, how is coal an important resource? Where it is found? Coal is used as basic energy resource in a number of industries. It is even used as a domestic fuel. Steam engines generate using coal. Coal is generally found in the sedimentary rocks. Due to its great significance, coal is also called the buried sunshine. Third, write down ways by which we can conserve our natural vegetation. Conservation of natural vegetation, afforestation, awareness, habitat protection, legal measures. Now fourth question, you can take a screenshot to write all these answers. Differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources. So first here, renewable resources can be renewed or replenished in a short period of time. Non-renewable resources are limited and take millions of years or from. These resources cannot be replenished easily. Second, renewable resource can be renewed under suitable environment condition. Second, non-renewable resource cannot be renewed. Third, solar, geothermal and wind energy along with biomass and hydropower are good example of renewable energy. Fourth, here, this one is third. Okay. Petroleum product, hydrocarbon, gas liquid, natural gases, coal and natural gas, coal and nuclear energy are example of renewable energy, non-renewable energy. Okay, now come on, next, last one. Fifth answer. Why should we conserve natural resources? Give reason to support your answers. Excessive exploitation. The non-renewable resource could be exhausted in the near future. On the other hand, the renewable resources are also in danger. Due to the environmental pollution, we have to conserve our natural resources for the future generation. So students, your syllabus of annual exam is over. Your lesson number 18 is over. So it is sufficient for today. I will give you revision in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.